G'day everyone, I'm in Port Melbourne and you can see behind me there the Spirit of Tasmania ferry that goes to Tasmania obviously, and I've just flown the drone up for about 20-25 minutes, just piss farting around. I'm here with Steve, he's down there somewhere, there you go, you can see him. Yeah, just piss farted around with the drone, but I was trying to fly towards the, you can see there all the cranes, so basically where all the cargo ships go, and it was cutting out, so obviously too much interference, metal interference, and then I flew it back there to where the ship was, and basically it was cutting out there as well, so obviously too much interference. But yeah, so hopefully I'll work on that video pretty soon, and you'll see a bit of drone footage now.